Today, let's look at a percent word problem. But before we get started, it's important to know that percent word problems like this one are very common in exams and tests. You will see questions just like this on major US exams such as the SAT, ACT, and GED, and even competitive tests like the GRE. So, if you're preparing for school exams or standardized tests, this is a must know skill. Here in this example, it says what is 30% of 270. If you think you already know the answer, go ahead and put the answer in the comment section because I'm going to solve this problem step by step right now. In order to solve any math word problem, you need to rewrite the word problem using only math symbols. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to start from the left and move to the right. The first word in this word problem is what. This is what we are trying to find. Since we don't know it yet, we can call it anything we want. The most common letter used for something we don't know is X. Next word is. In math, the word is means equals. So instead of writing is, I'm going to write an equal sign. Now the next part is 30% of. In math, the word of means multiplication. So instead of writing 30% of, I'm going to write 30% times. Finally, we have 270. Now we have written the word problem as a math equation. X equals 30% times 270. Now all we have to do is solve for x. We know that 30% can be written as 30 over 100. So we have x equals 30 over 100 times 270. Notice that we can cancel this 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0. Now we get x equals 3 times 27. And 3 times 27 is 81. So the correct answer is 81. I really hope you are finding my tutorials helpful, and until my next video, I'll see you later.